Good afternoon, beloved friends. This is Reverend Kyra Baehr, and I'm here in the beauty of nature. This week we are taking a look at the nature's voice of spirit. And what we hear right now, I hear the birds sing, and there are buzzing sounds as critters gather round and then move on into the next experience and expression. Can you hear the birds? Can you hear the wind? I can feel the wind, and I invite you to, even if you're not in nature, to feel the wind through your imagination at this time. The voice of spirit is very alive in nature, and the beauty of each flower that blooms, and the wonder of the ways that everything comes forth in spring and goes through, reminding us of the seasons and the sowing and the weeding that is required. See, the voice of nature speaks through all of creation. And when we hear and listen, it will guide us and nurture us to the season of our own lives, to the movement within the universal codes of creation. In this now code of creation, we're in a springtime, a season of flourishing, of establishing new blossoms. We've been seeding throughout the winter, and now we're bringing forth this divine light, this divine awareness. And all of creation is in it, coming from the new birth, the rebirth that we experienced at Easter. Now we're beginning to blossom forth in new ways. May you find the ways that nature's voice is expressing its spirit in your life, in the ways that you experience the voice of spirit when you take time away from the busyness of every day and come to commune with the sacred experience of life, the experience of renewal, the experience of the flowing waters and the gentle winds and the power of the earth and its nourishing presence. I'm Reverend Kyra Baehr at Unity Bay Area, Houston, here in League City, Texas. And I invite you to join me in listening to the sounds of spirit. Let nature's voice of spirit speak to you.